Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. A little boy woke up and looked here and there to find his parents. When he didn't find anyone, he called Cook. Mama, 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 Dada, Dada, Dada. Hearing his voice, a middle aged woman came there who was their maid. Azuma smiled. Cookie, you woke up? Cook looked at her. Munni! Patted both the side of the bed. Mama, Dada, no here. Mama, Dada, where? Azuma, Cookie's Mama and Dada are busy at their work. Cook said out. No Mama, no Dada, Cookie alone? Azuma, see, Muni is here with Cookie, so how did Cookie become alone? Cookie shouldn't be sad. Cookie's Mama and Dada will be back soon. Till then, Cookie should help Muni in household work. Muni can't do anything alone. Muni is so weak. Cook looked at her. Muni, no worry. Cookie here. Cookie help Muni. Cookie so strong. Made grabby hands. Cookie down? Azuma smiled and picked him in her arms and dropped him at the floor. He started walking outside while cutely moving his head. She cleverly diverted his attention from his parents. She was Azuma, Yunmin's old maid. She took care of the house and Cookie in absence of them. Cookie was so attached with her, she stayed with them. Yunmin gave him a room. They never treated her like a maid. They always treated her like their mom, and in return, she also treated them as their family member. It was evening time. Cookie woke up from his sleep. Usually, either Yungi or Jimin came back home at this time, but today they hadn't returned yet. Cookie won't miss them, that's why Azuma involved him in household works. By this, her work increased because Cookie helped less and spread the things more, but she was fine because he was busy and stopped asking for his parents. Azuma, Cookie, Cookie, where are you? Cookie here, Munni. Azuma, where baby? Munni can hear your voice but couldn't see you. Where are you? Cook, Cookie clean table. Azuma, while looking for him. Bish table, Cookie. Cook, big table. Azuma sat on the floor and looked under the center table. Cookie, what are you doing here? Come out. Cook looked at him. Cookie so busy. Cookie clean table. Munni no dibbi Cookie. Azuma face palmed herself. Cookie, I told you to clean the table. Cook looked at her. Cookie cleaning na? Again started wiping the table from inside. Azuma, Cookie, table should clean from upper side. Now come out, otherwise you will hurt your head. Cook, Munni, Cookie clean up. Upper table happy happy, but under table sad. Mama say no sad anyone. Cookie happy everyone. Munni go. Cookie happy table. Azuma, Let Jimin comes today. I will tell him that his son isn't listening me. Cook looked at him with big angry pout. We Munni complain, Mama. Why? Cookie only happy at the table. Azuma, done from him. Okay, do whatever you want. Left. She started preparing dinner while keeping his eyes on Cookie, who was busy in cleaning the things from inside. Soon doorbell rang and she opened the door. Azuma, Yungi, what happened to you? Yungi, nothing. What will happen to me? Slowly looked inside the house. Azuma, he hasn't arrived yet. You are safe. Yungi nervously looked at her. Azuma, I'm not scared. I was checking the house. If you mopped the floor, so I won't come inside. I was only thinking about you. Azuma came inside. Yeah, why not? I know very well how much you think about me. Now come inside. Yunki came inside and sat on the couch. Azuma, I'm saying the truth. By the way, house is looking so silent. Where is our little troublemaker? Azuma gave him a glass of water. He is helping me in cleaning. Yungi choked the water. Helping in cleaning? Yungi patted his back. Easy, Yungi. Yungi, scared. Leave me, Azuma, and tell me what he cleaned this time. I still remember last time he put my gun in washing machine along with clothes and blast our washing machine. That was good. That was empty. But because of his cleanliness fever, I got badly scolded by Jimin. That washing machine was gifted from his parents. He hadn't talked with me till whole month until his parents gifted him new washing machine. He destroyed my brand new. I hadn't even used it. It was just arrived. Now what did he blast? Azuma smiled to see his scared face. The dangerous mafia king is scared of his own tiny son. Yunki, Azuma, I am dangerous mafia king outside of this house. Inside this house, picked the cushion in his hand. This cushion is more respected and valuable than me. Azuma, well, that's true, but you don't need to scare. He didn't blast anything. He is only cleaning the table and chairs. Yunki sighed in relief. Then I'm safe. But where is he? Usually he comes to me by hearing my voice, but today he hasn't come. Azuma, he must be in under the table and making it happy. I opened the door at one bell, so he might not heard it. Yunki, under the table? Azuma, he is cleaning the table from inside too. He couldn't make table sad, so he is properly cleaning it. Yungi slowly shook his head. Our cookie. Azuma, now don't smile. Get up and freshen up. If Jimin sees you in these clothes, then he will get very angry. So go and change. Yungi, yes, you are right. I should have changed my clothes. Ran to his room. Yungi came to his room and threw his clothes the floor and went to washroom to take shower. Azuma found Cookie near the storeroom. He was cleaning the door. His clothes were so dirty. She told him that Yungi came back. She sent him to Yungi so that Yungi can change his clothes. Cook opened the door. Dada, Dada, Dada. Saw Yungi's clothes on the floor. Dada's so bad. Mama say no throw clothes floor. Dada no listen. Mama scold Dada. Now Cookie help Dada. Mama scolding. Pick the clothes and put it on the table. Cookie hand wet, looked at his hand. Cookie hand red, looked at Yoongi's blood, black cloth, which was soaked by his own blood. Cookie no she red, but Cookie's hand red. He threw the clothes on the chair and ran to landline 4. He picked the receiver and pressed the redial button. It was Yoongi's mobile number. Every day before leaving the house, he dialed his mobile number from landline phone so that Cookie can contact with him at any type of emergency. Except Cookie, nobody used landline phone. Jimin taught him how to use it. OTP. Cook. Mama. Jimin. Cookie, I'm hearing baby. What happened? Cook. Mama, where? Jimin. Mama is at the hospital treating patients. Cook. Mama, home fast. Jimin. I will be there soon. Mama is a little busy. Cook. No, Mama, come fast. Dada pain. Dada no shake. Cookie munni. Dada shirt wet. Cookie no shake. Cookie's hands red. Dada pain hide. Jimin shocked. What? Cookie, don't panic. Mama is coming. Stay with Dada and don't let him go anywhere. Dada tell him anything until I reach there, okay? Cook. Utti. Cookie no go Dada. Dada bati. Cookie shit. Jimin, my good boy. Mama will be there in no time. Call ended. Jimin cut the call. Cookie put the receiver back and sat on the floor in front of washroom door and hiding his hands behind his back. He was Jimin's dad spy who informed him every single thing about Yoongi, even if he bumped with Wall. Then also he informed to Jimin. Soon Yoongi came out from the washroom. He was in bathrobe. Water was dripping from his long hairs. He was about to go to wardrobe to bring his clothes, but nearly got a heart attack to see Cookie there sitting on the floor and looking at him without blinking his eyes. He placed his hand on his chest. Yoongi. Cookie, you scared me. Why are you sitting on the floor? Get up, you will catch cold, then Mama will scold Dada. Cook. Cookie no achoo. Cookie no shit floor. Cookie shit pet. Carpet. Yoongi. Okay, but why are you looking at me like this? Cook. Cookie tutu eyes. Cookie shit Dada problem? Why? Yoongi, no, I don't have any problem, but anyways, looked at his clothes. See, your clothes are so dirty. Come here, let me change your clothes. Cook. No, Mama change Cookie clothes. Cookie help Munni cleaning. Yoongi, your Mama will be mad and scold you. Cook. Mama no scold Cookie. Mama scold Dada. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Why would he scold me? Cookie didn't answer him. He was just sitting there and looking at him without blinking his eyes. Yoongi doubted on him because he didn't let him go anywhere and didn't let him to wear his clothes. Soon Jimin came there and opened the door. Cook looked at him. Mama! Went to him. Mama, see, Cookie hands red. Showed him his hand which had dried blood stain. Dada pain. No shake Cookie munni. Yoongi gulped hard to see Jimin's angry glare. No, it's not like what you are thinking. I'm feeling fine. He must have put his hands in red colors. It's not blood. Cook, Mama, Dada, lie. Yoongi, shut up. Cook, why? Cookie, shut up. Cookie, no, shut up. Cookie, good boy. Cookie, tell Mama truth. Picked Yoongi's black shirt and showed to Jimin, which was soaked in blood. See, Mama, Dada shut pin. Yoongi, Jimin, don't listen to him. He's just a child. He didn't know anything. Azuma came there. What's happening here? Why here is so much noise? Yoongi, Azuma, please take Cookie from here. Cook, no, Cookie, no go. Azuma, can anyone tell me what's happening here? Cook, Cookie, Munish. Cook, Cookie, tell Munni. Dada pin, but Dada no shake. Cookie, Munni. Dada lie, bad na, she? Showed her his red hands. Azuma looked at him with disappointed eyes. Yoongi, no Azuma. Jimin, remove this bathrobe. I will check it by myself. Yoongi held his robe tightly. When I'm saying I'm fine, then why aren't you believing me? Jimin, don't speak and remove it. Yoongi, Cookie and Azuma here. How can I remove it in front of them? Try to understand, na? Cook went to Yoongi and started pulling his robe. Mama, she remove that. I remove. Cookie, help Mama. Yoongi, Cookie, leave it. Azuma, Cookie, come. Let me give you bathi. Mama will handle Dada. Jimin, Azuma, can you wash Yoongi's clothes? Azuma, why not? Cookie, let's go. Cook picked Yoongi's clothes. Cookie, back soon. Mama, help. Cookie left with Azuma while glaring at Yoongi. Azuma locked the door from outside. Why? Soon you will get to know. Now there was no one except Yunmin. Yoongi was so scared of Jimin. He hated the most when Jimin gave him these cold and scary looks. Jimin went to him and removed the bathrobe. He saw there was a cut on his above the stomach. He went to washroom without saying a single word. Yoongi knew now nobody can save him from Jimin's anger. He went to the door to run away from there, but it was locked from outside. Azuma knew Yoongi would definitely try to run away from there. Soon Jimin came out from the washroom after getting freshened up. He found Yoongi was on the door. He took out his medical bag from the wardrobe and said, Jimin, will you come here by your own or should I drag you here? Jimin went to Yoongi went to him. I'm fine. You are worrying without any reason. Jimin pushed him on the bed. Yoongi, don't try to teach me my work. I'm a doctor. I can see by myself how much fine you are. Yoongi, I looked at Jimin's glare and looked down. Jimin, this seems you normal. You haven't even applied any ointment on this. It's such a deep cut. Yoongi, Jimin, I am a mafia. It's normal in our profession. There is nothing to worry about it. It will be fine in few days. Jimin, while treating him, you aren't only mafia king. You are my husband and Cookie's dada too. You can't take these injuries lightly. You didn't only hide. You lied it to me. When will you understand? I'm tired of making you understand this. You aren't alone. You have a family to look after. If you had to do this much carelessness, then you should have gotten married. There is no delay. Let us divorce and get separated. Then you will be alone and will be able to do whatever you want. There will no one to stop you. I know there is no use to say anything to you. You will listen from one ear and let it out from other ear. I'm only wasting my time and energy. Jimin was continuously scolding him and he was only looking down and hearing him. Jimin gave him an injection and left the room after Azuma opened it. Time skipped at midnight. Jimin was so angry from Yoongi. He didn't talk with him. He said him sorry so many times, but still he didn't say anything. At midnight, Cookie went to kitchen because he was craving to eat ice cream. When Yoongi didn't find him in between them, he went to search him and found him standing near the fridge while holding an empty box of ice cream. Yoongi couldn't see his sad face. So he took him outside to bring ice cream for him. After few minutes, Jimin woke up. He saw Jungkook weren't there on the bed. He searched them in entire house, then found Yoongi's car's key wasn't there. He understood Yoongi. Took Cookie outside. He sat on the couch and waiting for them. Azuma went to drink water and saw Jimin was sitting in the living room. She went to him and said, Azuma, Jimin? Jimin looked at her. Azuma, do you want anything? Azuma sat beside him. No, I just came here to drink water. Lovingly strokes his ears. What happened? Why are you sitting here? Have you two fought? Jimin, no Azuma. Yoongi and Cookie went outside. I'm waiting for them. Azuma, they sneaked out. Jimin, definitely Cookie wanted to eat something and Yoongi took him outside. Both Dada and son are crazy. Azuma, don't worry, they will be back soon. Don't take this much stress. Jimin, how Azuma? Haven't you known Yoongi? He is the dangerous mafia king, but only for outside of this house. He is more child than Cookie. He couldn't take care of himself. I have to take care of him like a little baby. He always hides his injuries. I know he is a mafia and he is habitual of it, but he shouldn't ignore any injury. Don't know when a small injury becomes serious in future, but no, he never cared about it. Today Cookie is small, so he shared everything with us, but what if in future he also starts hiding his injuries from us? Then I also don't want to scold him on small things, but he's so careless. I don't know what should I do with him. Whenever he went to mission, I'm always scared for his safety. Why can't he understand that when he will be fine, only then he will be able to save us? Azuma, he will understand this. Don't worry. You know na, he is dumb. You have to take care of him. Soon Jungkook came there. Yoongi slowly locked the door, but Jimin turned on the lights. Cook looked at Jimin. Mama! Azuma twisted his ear. Where did you go? And at this time? Do you know how much worried we were? Yoongi poked his finger on Jimin's upper arm. Won't you scold me? Jimin turned his face to the side. Please na, see, I brought something for you. Jimin looked at him. Dark chocolate? Yoongi, I gave you so much stress na, so it will reduce your little bit stress. I'm an idiot, stupid. Cook, dumb. Yoongi, yeah, dumb too. I can't do anything without you. You are my lifeline. Please forgive me. I promise I won't hide my injury again. Please forgive me and talk with me. Cook climbed on the couch and hugged his neck. Yes, forgive Dada. Dada, sorry na. Next time, Cookie, Mama, Munni, beat Dada. Jimin looked at Azuma. Azuma, what should we do? Azuma, I think we should forgive him this time. Jimin, okay, but only for this time. If next time he will do anything, then Yoongi fed him chocolate. It won't happen. Cook, see, Cookie brought tasty ice cream. Midnight, they all had their ice creams except Yoongi, who was looking at them while enjoying. Because of Kurt, he couldn't eat ice cream. He was happy to see his happy family and smiling. No injury should be taken lightly. Even a small and simple injury can become dangerous in the future. Health should be your first priority. When you are healthy, only then you will be able to keep your family safe. Ignoring it only worsens the situation. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. You must have heard the item. The Lions match. Yungi was the dangerous mafia king from whom everyone is scared and didn't dare to say anything. But he was scared of his doctor husband. No matter how much strong a lion is, but in front of his lioness, he has to bow down. He knew Jimin hates carelessness. He hid his injury from him to not get scoldings. But Cookie was one step ahead of Yungi. He called Jimin and told him everything. Cookie was Jimin's dad spy who kept his eyes on Yungi's every activity and informed to him. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.